Ka Pung Umiam om tang bakadai ka slam pen mi boarding ke bahaya tam ka jala hanrai ka ajing mentoi ro sibun ki benta ya ki paj ba kawe ne kini ka dek jingi hap jongka ban pelong ya gilmpong ya kai ha ba sibenta kum ka ne ka jingi kai menta ka sngi ka pelong ya ka jingi kop kingling ka ban kong ha India wa khot kum ka fast India sailing league u amit kelot uwai na ginong peniai ka Umiam sailing club jongka team Mekhaya rong baka Pung Umiam ka dek ba Paka ba ka ba khoj ban pelong ya kum ka ne ka jingi kai bat nolok kata ka jingrong ka san beneng ru ka biang ba bar ki saudong saukun ulong bagi wegi jela kum ka kowa Tamil Nadu Maharashtra bagi wegi don ki Pung dureu ki bom ya hap bat bom biang ban pelong ya kum ka ne ka jingi kai ulong baka jing pelong ya ka ne ka jingi kai ka dairu nama ka jing Krasian ka sokal Meghalaya hak ni kelempung la don ki ba simenta kumba sispa nyau pho ngutam norak jela ka ri India ki don ru kiri kentup na Rusia England Malaysia Sri Lanka bat Taiwan ki ba simenta hak ni kelempung keban kut hak lai phui tarik mentau benai
So, as you all know that Shillong team is the host team. Umiam Sailing Club, the Shillong team, we are hosting this ISL. So, as a host, we always give everything to our guests first. In this team, it's a mix of members from Malaysia, Sri Lanka, Russia, and many states of India. They are all very young people and all very good champions. And we see how the team performs, but they are all very excited. Yeah, and we are also excited to call them as a host team. That we will have 100 participants, but today when the last month when the participants got registered, we have total 14 teams, 13 players in each team, and which is comes to 172 approximately, and there are players from 7 countries in these 14 teams. Yes.
which country
So we have India, many states, all the states of India. We have Russia, we have England, we have Taiwan, we have Sri Lanka, Malaysia, yes, all those countries. Every day, every team participates because there are different race types. So today at 3 o'clock there will be Ilka 7 race, which is senior most above age group of 22 or something. So in Ilka 7, all team member will participate.
Okay.
So every race, every team participates. I'm very new to sailing, just 1.5 years old. I have not been to many places, but what I have understood is, number one, it's because of the Meghalaya government, Honorable Chief Minister, the Sports Minister, Dr. Vijay. They all are very enthusiastic about sports, to promote sports in Meghalaya, because the youth here has a super potential. In 2 years, we got around 10 medals from the kids who stays nearby villages. So this is the one reason, because the government wants to do it. Number two, as everybody knows Meghalaya, this space, you don't get this type of clean water, stable water, and this type of weather every place. Because in Bombay and in coastal areas, it is all oceans. So ocean water is very different. It is called offshore sailing. But here, it is very nice weather. And as a club, we took the lead and we thought, let's do it. Yeah, so no more reasons.